Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to see if someone restricted you on Instagram. So, without wasting time, let's start. First of all, I will open my Instagram application and open my another account. From here, I will restrict my second account. So, I'll go to my settings, profile settings. Here I search for privacy settings. After that, I will tap on restricted accounts here and I'll tap on continue. So here I can see accounts that I restricted. So I am going to restrict my second account. I will search for it and tap on restrict. So that's how I can restrict someone's account. After restricting my that account, I'll go to my account which is restricted by that account. So here I restricted my that account. After that, I'll go to the same account I restricted from that account. So here is my second account that is restricted by my another account. So I'll search for my first account with which I am restricted. So after that, I'll open its profile. After opening its profile, I will go to the post which is uploaded to that account. Here in post, I will type a comment hi. I will type a comment hi. After that, I will post it. If she restricted me, then only me and her can see my comment. So I will go back and reopen the Instagram app. Now here search again for that account. And after that, when I open the same image, after that I will open the same image, then the comment will not present here. That's mean she restricted me. So here we go. That's how you can see if someone has restricted you on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.